Hi everybody, it's DJ Chris from Lloyded Productions. I have quite a few people that come up to me at my table and they always ask me how do I program my lights or how do I get them to react to music. And instead of just telling you, how about I show you and tell you? So here I have my ADJ Ultra Bar. It has 9 LEDs and I'm controlling it and programming it with my ADJ WLC-16 DMX controller. So for the video you're about to watch, we're going to program something similar. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the first 3 and make it yellow. And believe me, it's yellow. It doesn't look like it. And we're going to make that the first scene. So we're going to add it to scene 1. And we're going to turn those off. And we're going to come over and we're going to make the middle. Add it to scene 2. And the last 3, we're going to turn it yellow and put it to scene 3, and then we're going to make it go blue all the way back. So scene 4, scene 5, and scene 6. And then we can also make it dance a little bit. So we can take that back with scene 7. No. Scene 8. And scene 9. And then we'll add that. 10. And then we'll make it all just flash. 11. And we'll just keep it simple like that. Now we're ready to run our scenes that they're programmed. We can run it a couple ways. We can run it in auto. We're just going to go through it. Now, I can also alter the speed. I can slow it down a little bit. But it's still just going on its own, just at a slower speed. The other way we can do it is via sound, where there's a sensor or a microphone that's going to pick up on the low ends of the song being played. And you'll see the difference in the video. So either way that you do set it, it's going to be a pretty fun display of lights. One's going to be more reactive to the song you're playing, and the other one, not so much. It's just going to go crazy. And that's up to you. Thank you for watching.